I can get stock and geographic data in an Excel. It's as easy as typing text into a cell and converting it to the stocks data type or the geographic data type. First, I extract stocks data from the text. Click Data tab. In Data Types group, Microsoft have recently added these two commands. Stocks command is used to extract stocks data from the text, and geography command is also used to extract specific data from the text. First I use stocks command. Let's see how it is work. First type here company name, then type here stocks. In this column of these cells, I type name of company names. Open the browser, type here list of USA companies. Click on any state. Suppose I copy this company, paste here. Then I copy this company name, paste here. I copy this company name, paste here. Then I select this company, paste here. Select this state, select this company name, similarly I add some more company names here. I have added 10 company names in this column. I copy these company names and paste in this column. After that, I convert this data into an Excel table. Creating an Excel table, this will make extracting online information easier. Click on any cell of this data, then click Insert tab, click on Table. Check My Table has headers, click OK. After that, select these two column headings, then click Home tab, click on Format arrow button, then click on Auto Fit column width. After that, I convert these text into the stocks data type. Click on Data tab. These two data types are considered linked data types because they have a connection to an online data source. That connection allows us to bring back rich, interesting information that you can work with and refresh. I click on this command. So Excel has find a match in these cells and it converts the text to the stocks data type. But in these cells, I see here this type of symbol instead of this icon. Excel is having a hard time matching this text with data from the online sources. Correct any spelling mistakes or try rephrasing keywords or using synonyms. Try less specific keywords. Press Enter key. When I have pressed Enter key, I have some suggested results here. Excel returns different stock exchanges related to this company. In this section, I see London Stock Exchange shows stock data of this company. Suppose I select this stock exchange. After that, I see this cell is highlighted. Press enter key. Again press enter key. I see there is no suggestion about this text. Select this cell. Press enter key. Then select this cell. Again select this cell. I see here some suggestion about this text. I select New York Stock Exchange. Again select this cell. Press enter key. I enter other company names in these three cells. Select this text. Paste here. Then click on stocks. I see here again no results. Type other company name. Paste here. Click on stocks. So this time Excel extracts stocks data for this company from the online data sources. Similarly, I type other company names in these two cells. After that, I resize this column. Click on Home tab. Then click on Auto Fit Column Width. When any cell of this table is activated, I see here icon. This icon is called Add Column. By using this icon, I can extract different fields from this column or from the stocks data. Click on this icon. I see here different field name. So I can extract from this stocks rich and interesting information from this column. Scroll down. Click on Previous Close. I see here the previous close value of this company in the stock exchange is $12.68. Similarly for other companies. Again click on this icon. Click on Price. I see here different price values of this company in the stock exchange in this column. Again click on this icon. Click on Volume. These values are volume values for all companies. Click on Ticker Symbol field. I see here ticker symbol for all companies. Then click on Shares Outstanding. So Excel extract shares values for these companies from online data sources. If I click on Change Percentage, I see here Stock Exchange Percentage Ratio here. Click on Employees. I see here number of employees for all companies. Click on this field. Then click on Change Field. Similarly, click on last trade time. I convert these cells in time format. Select all these cells, right click, click on format cells, then click on time, click OK. So I can view here last trade time for all these companies. Again click on this icon, click on expense ratio, then click on exchange. I see here name of stock exchanges for all these companies. Again click on add column icon, click on high. So I can extract rich and interesting information for all these companies from the stocks data type.